In this video, you are going to learn how to edit faster and work more efficiently in Premiere Pro. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, I will give you some tips which would help you to edit faster and work more efficiently in Premiere Pro. And before we go any further, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and please follow me on social media platforms. And all of my social media links are in the description section below. So without further ado, let's get started. So the most important tips which I am going to give you in this video is number one is called the ripple delete. So ripple delete is a very amazing feature which is available in the Premiere Pro, using which you can ripple delete the clip from the next edit or from the previous edit. So as in this case, you can see this is the video, and suppose I want to just delete this clip. You can see this clip is right over here and there is a cut over on this side. So what I can do, you can see either I can just come over here and just make a cut to all these tracks. So I can just press Ctrl-Shift-K. So that's going to make a cut of all of these. Then I can just select all of these clips with the mouse, and then I choose the ripple edit tool and click and drag it over here. So that's going to take a lots of steps, but ripple delete option helps me to just do these by skipping all the unnecessary steps. So suppose if I want to just delete these files and I don't have to just cut any of these, what I can do, I can just press the W. So W is going to delete all these forward clips. So let me undo it and show you. Just notice over here, if I press the W, it's going to automatically make a cut and ripple delete everything, and it's going to just trim down all these the forward clips. And suppose if I want to just delete this clip from the start, from over here, as you can see it starts from here. So if I just press Q, it's going to delete that clip from there and it's going to ripple delete everything. So if I just press Q, Q is for the backward delete from the start of the clip. So let me show you using this video. So this is the video. So suppose if my playhead is over here and I want to delete the forward part, so I can just press W. So that's going to trim it from the front or delete it from the front. And if I want to just trim it out from the start or from the beginning, I can press Q. So that's going to delete the clip from the beginning. So that's called the ripple delete. So this is very helpful and very time-saving shortcut which you must learn and must use these to save a lot more time and work more efficiently. Now let's move on to the next step. And the next tip is that if you have multiple clips and if you want to just make an in and out point only of this part or of this clip, you can see this clip has one edit over here and one edit over here. So suppose you want to make an in and out over point over here. So what you can do, you can go to the start and press I and then go to the outside and make it the out point as O. So that's going to make an in and out point, and then you can just press Ctrl M or Command M to render this area or this clip only. So let me give you a simple tips. So there is a simple shortcut keyboard for selecting this clip or making the in and out point of only this clip. So that is by pressing the backslash key. So backslash key is going to make a selection of this clip, and that's going to make an in and out point very quickly. And if you want to just remove this in and out point, you can press Ctrl Shift and X or Command Shift or X if you are using the Mac. So if you press the backslash, that's going to make an in and out point. And if you want to remove the in and out point, press Ctrl Shift X or Command Shift X if you are using Mac. That would also help you to save a lot more time. So these are the tips which would help you to work faster, and please do follow me and keep an eye on the upcoming videos where I will give you more tips to edit faster and work more efficiently in Premiere Pro. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.